Hello?
Hey,
Hey,
what are you doing?
just watching something.
Why aren't you sleeping yet?
Why aren't you sleeping yet?
Because...
Because I'm irresistible?
Right.
Then.
Fine. Good night then.
Hey, wait! Hi, I can't answer the phone right now. Please leave a message and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.
It's midnight. Can you remember how many midnights we spent together? Staying up late just to talk to each other. I couldn't get enough of you. Sometimes I can just be sitting on the bus thinking about you. I'm a simple girl, you know? The kind of girl who will be happy if you gave her some ice cream. And then suddenly, she'll be happy again. The kind of girl who just wants someone to hold her and she'll be happy for the rest of her life. I miss you. I miss you when something good happens because you're the one I want to share it with. I miss you when something is wrong because I know you will understand. I miss you when I laugh and cry because I know you're the one who will make my laughter grow and my tears fade. But I miss you the most when I lie awake at night and I think of all the wonderful times we spent with each other, because those are some of the best memories. I like being close to you because you make me feel so comfortable. And when you fall asleep, I want to give you a kiss because secretly my heart still flutters when I hear your voice. Can you hear my heart?